I'm Brooke Reese with the Metropolitan Nashville Police Department. This is a critical incident briefing concerning Saturday night's fatal shooting of a man who came at officers with a knife after a brief confrontation on River Road Pike just after 6 p.m. Several calls came into the Department of Emergency Communications between 4:45 and 6 p.m. from both Cheatham and Davidson counties about a man walking along the side of the roadway, yelling and throwing things at vehicles.
DEC, Dylan.
Hey, is this Go Cheatham Dispatch?
Yeah, what can I do for you?
Hey, I was just trying to pass on some information to you guys.
Okay.
So we had a homeless man at Peter's Market, it's 3505 River Road, who was causing some problems, and he left towards, heading towards y'all, so heading towards the county line, River Road Pike. I'm not going to be able to get anyone in the area before he crosses over, but just since he was causing problems on our side, I figured I'd
Did they say what he looked like?
They did not. I believe it's going to be a white male in a black hat. He's been just walking down River Road today and last night, so.
On foot. What's causing?
I had someone call in on him earlier yelling at cars, and our officer said that they dealt with him yesterday and he did not want any help.
DEC, Jamarla.
Hey, it's Jessica with Cheatham Dispatch.
Hey.
Hey, so I'm sorry. I just called you guys about the man that's on the side of the road. Y'all.
Yeah.
Somebody. Okay. Just an update. He's still at this, like in the same area, but now he is throwing tree limbs at cars in the road. We've had 2 calls about him. One, he hit her car, and she just kept going because she's like terrified of him.
Yeah.
And the next one, the same thing. So.
All right. No, it's okay. We'll update it.
8243 is the address now. Well,
8243?
Yeah.
All right, I'll update it.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
2 West Precinct officers, Ryan Thomas and Cameron Vandermerwe, who both joined the department in 2021, arrived on scene 6 minutes after the last 911 call. You're about to see their body-worn and in-car camera footage. The man's face is being digitized until his identity has been confirmed and his family can be notified. A word of caution, the images and information you're about to see may be disturbing and difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised.
What are you doing, man?
I'm fucking taking them all down. I got no right to walk on this street.
What are you doing?
Hey, let me tell you, I ain't got a drop of alcohol on me. I got to me my life. I'm slowing them some of bitches down tonight. You illegal for one night, sir. I know you breaking the law. What you need in my life? I don't know how you live your life. Who you pay for? God give me my right.
All right.
You ain't taking me. No, I ain't saying nothing. You need it, boy.
All right, so what's going on tonight?
I'm slowing these fucking down. Stand over here with me. Come on, walk with me.
Walk with you?
Yeah, walk with me.
All right.
I'm putting a tree room in these guys. Yours too. You got one night, buddy.
Okay. Where are you going? Come here.
I'm walking with God.
All right.
I'm walking my life on this earth. You got no business. You ain't protect me, serve me something.
Okay.
You won't talk to me.
Hold on, can I talk to you?
I know.
Why not?
Because you got nothing to say to me.
Why not?
Because you illegal.
You ready?
I bet. No, I take both of you, like. You better lie. I can't.
Put it down.
Taser.
Sir. Stop! Drop it! Sir. Shots fired! Shots fired! Sir, drop the knife!
10-4 is right here.
Boy, we're going to be out with him. It's going to be on the side of River Road.
I'm sorry you talking about bitches down. You illegal for one night, sir. I know you breaking the law. What you need is in my life.
Ryan, 54.
You live your life. Who you pay for? God give me my right.
All right.
You ain't taking it. No, I ain't saying nothing. You need it, boy.
So what's going on tonight?
I'm slowing these fucking down. Stand over here with me. Come on. Walk with me.
Walk with you?
Yeah, walk with me.
All right.
I'm putting a tree with these guys. Yours too. You got one.
21, hold the air for a moment.
I'm walking the guy.
10-4, Central Lines, hold the air.
I'm walking my life from this earth. You got no business. You ain't protecting me and serving me. So
Okay.
If you can send us another unit.
I know.
Why not?
Because you got nothing to say to me.
Why not?
Because you ain't leaving. I wish. No, I take both of you.
Sir,
Bye.
put that down. Put that down. Taser, taser. Sir, sir, drop it. Drop it. Sir, drop the knife. Sir, drop the knife.
10-4.
The officers rendered aid to the man until medics arrived. He died at the scene.